Alright, we got a knife call here. They got the suspect in custody. Yeah, they got him already.
Stop pushing like that. When you relax, you just push me right now. Relax. Come over here.
Do you have anything else?
They're searching him.
And you grab it again. If you grab it again right now, you're fucking weird, homie.
They're searching him hard.
What's your name, dude?
Food, brother.
How many times they gotta search him?
Almost right now. Let's figure that out. Later, yes. It's hard. No, I understand.
Hey.
Huh?
Actually, I bought credit for the masita. Let me talk to you.
Finger behind you.
You want to come? Yeah.
So they're taking him?
Okay, roger that. Yeah, we need.
Hey, officer. Hey, don't worry. Hey, officer. Hey. Don't worry. I don't have nothing. Hey, sorry. I told him, bro. I told him, bro.
I like that better.
Appreciate you, man. Thank you. I appreciate that.
Hey, sure, I got a shark's container. Sir, I'll get a shark's container.
Yep.
What's up? Yeah,
No,
what,
so my
hey, Sergeant.
partner's finding out right now. He's talking.
Should be wearing gloves.
Sergeant, yeah, hold on, give me a second. Give me a second, hold on.
Yeah, it's right there.
Open his back.
So they had something. Oh, the knife. Oh, that's what it is. Okay. How you doing, sir?
How you doing, man?
You finish my cigarette.
Bradley, do you have my number? You guys, your apartment?
Hey, Bradley, you have my number?
Sure, sir.
Hey, go on. Hey, dude. Hey, you got? It's not loud.
That's enough.
I'm looking for, right? I'm chilling, bro, and the street guy looking chill. Well, white dude comes out. He's like, hey man, go down here for a minute, and it's pretty close. We just did that because there's a bunch of white dudes out here. You know how it goes, dude. You get back and forth, and then I don't know, it's like, hey man, what business you got right here? I'm stationary, but I'm not even inside the fucking.
So he's explaining what's going on.
So, what you call it? He goes on alright, he's a shit, right? Oh, no, I mean so how's your day? No, I'm probably no, because, come on, one of the workers.
129 on Soto Street, no evidence of fire.
Okay, so how's your day? He goes, hey bro, the fuck the pussy.
All units need to give you for 20 minutes ago from north and Olympic. Suspect vehicle avoid on the Civic West in that direction. Suspect male Hispanic, size 7, walking to you town.
You got freedom of speech when you exactly. See, that was a strategy that gave me mad. He had an excuse to tell me to leave. You know what I'm saying? That's what they did.
Wait, but they said you had a knife, or?
Nah. It was a screwdriver. Yeah, a screwdriver. Super ass screwdriver.
Somebody attacked you, or?
It felt like he was about to attack me, so I defended myself, bro.
Oh, it's self-defense?
Well, if they put a PPA on you, you can put a PPA on them, right?
Well, he crashed my side. Piece of shit ass.
So, I mean, I don't know if he attacked somebody or somebody attacked him. He's claiming self-defense, but
Private person arrest.
he's the one that's talking.
Hey, look,
Hispanic 45 years, 39 privately. Only forerunner on the license plate. Person away, clear on a forerunner on the license plate. Code 207 485 RD on the time.
yeah, part of it is still out. No, not a knife. No. Hey, man. Nah, I mean, this is my business too. I mean, no disrespect, bro. Hold on. Bitch ass motherfucker.
I'll show you.
Yeah, right here.
So we'll see if they let him go or take him to jail.
One of them. Yeah, he was cool. He didn't crash me.
You can't believe everything you hear, but we don't know at this point. So.
He used that excuse.
But we'll find out. We'll see what happens.
Figure out school with it. And you already know, bro. Certain people that buy fucking bases as fuck. And me being fucking homeless and everything.
No cameras, huh? Cameras?
Huh? Oh, hey, no camera, huh? There's no camera.
Is that Carrillo flashing his light at me? This guy right here?
It's just us trying to
Man, this black dude was fucking shoving his hand all up in his asshole.
Location 417 East Street,
You can't. That's the same thing like trying to say, hey, we're gonna charge you with, you got caught with a knife, but we're gonna charge you for a gun. Nah, you guys, I know my being ALCOR, but that's what they're saying. Yeah, that. So there it is right there, bro. Yeah, there it is right there. And then fucking Gascon being the
Anything could be a weapon.
With Gascon being the fucking UVA. Yeah, fucking it's a misdemeanor. Wasting everybody's time, man. Hey, what do you mean if I did pussy and all that?
I'm just talking about the size of the screwdriver. They didn't see it.
Oh,
We know it's something. That's why we're going to go talk to him right now.
Hey, but look, like you said, it's super small, right?
He's talking too much. I think they're gonna take him in, honestly.
Patty, bro.
Well, you had already said what they were saying before all of that.
Thank you, hey, thank you, man. God bless you. I love you, man. Thank you.
It's recording,
How are you?
bro.
Hey, you got a cigarette?
I don't smoke, brother. Sorry.
Alright.
Only marijuana.
Yeah?
I don't have it on me though.
So we're trying to figure out what's gonna happen.
Hey, fool, hey, thank you guys so much, bro.
How would you rate their service tonight? Good or bad?
In the beginning, bro, it was a little too aggressive for little old me, you know?
Yeah.
But I understand. I understand because somebody said there was
Yeah.
that's what was a weapon.
Yeah.
And look at hey, what are you looking for, dude? No, you're good. Hey, bro, what are you looking for, dude? Yeah, the one that caught the
Black jacket? He's the one that called cops on you?
Yeah.
Black jacket?
fucking racist motherfucker, dog.
Oh, you were sitting on this side. You were sitting on the sidewalk side. Okay. Everybody okay? Nobody injured though?
Oh, he did, or
Yeah, he pulled out a
he
weapon.
was the aggressor? Or?
He said something about a screwdriver for the setting.
Maybe it was a screwdriver. We couldn't really tell. It happened so fast.
Yeah.
Aggressive?
And he pointed at us, and I'm walking away, and he's saying I'm being racist. And
Well, and,
I was just standing there asking him to not talk to the. I was like, "You're not a customer, go." You know, like you could sit here. He had a bumpy foot. He said, I go, "When you're done, please leave."
He was resting.
Yeah, that's what he said.
okay.
But it was. But then he was starting to interact with everyone.
so he started it.
Got you.
Come on, dude.
Got you.
Yeah, a weapon is a weapon.
And
You
then he
know?
pulled the weapon out immediately.
Yeah.
Yeah, we heard it on the scanner. We heard a man with a knife, so we got here really quick. Yeah.
So there you go, guys. You hear from the other witnesses.
Yeah.
They're saying you pulled out a weapon, bro.
Huh?
Hey.
Yeah, but they're saying that I pulled out a knife. I never pulled out a knife. And then, you know, I pulled out a screwdriver.
You may take the ride tonight, homie.
Huh?
I said you may take the ride tonight.
Oh, I'm not. I'm trying to get high and fucking.
It is what it is. Yeah.
They let him sit there.
We just reported. That's it. They're gonna take him in.
No, they're not.
So we'll see what happens here, guys.
So you're being arrested for brandishing, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and transport you.
So he is arrested for brandishing a weapon. Yep.
Why are you guys videoing?
Why are you asking questions?
The new glass house? I'm gonna still come by, but not hang out right here.
21 call 1050 on our cell phone.
Because we're trying to help you to avoid any consequences. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to have to do this.
Hey, just the water, though, just the water. We can get you water at the station. We got it clean.
Oh, there he goes, guys. Can't be committing crimes.
We weren't able to do this.
What's this footage for?
Oh, we're just cop watching.
Like, do you just like follow them wherever they go and then
Yeah.
you just record shit?
Yeah.
Instagram or what?
News. Independent.
you like try to sell your videos to CNN?
Sometimes.
Is this PD Live?
You want to be on there?
Yeah. My friends wanted today. Guys, hop in.
Hold on, one second.
What did he do?
Yeah, they
LA Live.
they arrested him. They arrested him for brandishing a weapon.
No way. What's like just showing?
Hey, what up, boys?
Yeah.
Shout out my mama, San Francisco. Hope y'all doing well. Let's go. If you watching this, let's go hard, baby. Let's go, baby.
You guys have an Instagram you want to shout out or?
Yeah, shout out at Johnny_Dalem. Our boy sadly got locked up. Our boy got locked up, but we doing well. We chilling. He's gonna be out in a minute.
Hey, you gotta get over here.
Yo, fuck this guy. He's out of here. Simple as that.
Have a good one. They're drunk, that's why.
Fuck that guy. See ya.
There he goes. See ya.